Hi everybody, I'm here with a former client of mine, Elena Cronus. Elena, you came to my office today because you wanted to talk about your experience with the law offices of Michael A.
Absolutely.
Fiumara. Well, tell me, what was your experience? And I don't have a gun to your head, by the way, do I?
No, you don't. Actually, my experience was very good, much better than I anticipated it to be. Never going through any kind of problem with the law. I was frightened and very, very nervous. I really didn't even know who to trust.
Did you interview other attorneys?
I did, and I did find you through a personal reference, but I still wanted to do some of my own legwork and look around to see if I felt more comfortable with somebody else.
Of course.
I did speak to a couple of attorneys over the phone, but I didn't feel 100% certain that I wanted to hire them or even do a consultation for that matter. What kind of sealed the deal for me is when I did call your firm and I did speak to you over the phone, I did feel very confident that you'd be able to meet, my needs. I felt very insecure at the time, and I really didn't know what I was doing, whether I was hiring the right firm. It was a very unknown time for me.
Sure. Did we keep you informed?
You kept me very informed, in a good way, not in a bad way, because what was important for me, because I was so scared and really a newbie to the legal process,
Yes.
You kept me informed, you didn't give me too much information, you gave me the facts, and you didn't really make me nervous. So that made me, able to sleep at night. I was able to sleep at night because for the first 2 weeks I wasn't able to sleep at all.
I know, and I met you and your husband, and the case the problem was resolved to your satisfaction, isn't that correct?
Yes, it was. It was resolved in a way that was simple. You kept me informed of the facts. I was really just hesitant and scared to attend any kind of court date, and for me, it was just the most wonderful thing that I didn't have to attend any court dates and that you handled that for me and just let me know how it went, and whatever information you needed for me, I was more than happy to provide that.
Well, thank you. Would you refer your friends or family or anyone to the law offices of Michael A. Fiumara if there's ever a problem, whether it's criminal, personal injury, education, vehicle code section, or any of the cases that may cross your path?
Absolutely. And in fact, I already have referred one group of people to you.
Thank you.
And your staff is completely on the ball, and I just found everyone to be very compassionate towards me, and that made the whole difference.
Thank you. And you're also aware my staff is bilingual?
Yes.
And you also speak another language, don't you?
I do. I speak Russian.
And you even dictated in Russian or transcribed in Russian.
Yes, I have.
That's a very interesting language, isn't it? Very difficult language.
Difficult. Very difficult.
As difficult as the legal system?
Probably.
Well, I want to thank you for taking the time to come to our law office and just express your feelings, because I think that's important for people to know firsthand. And also, if there's anything else you want to add to what we've said, I would appreciate that too.
Well, I just feel that, being a legal secretary, I've worked with a lot of attorneys, in the past, and I just felt like this firm is very professional, on the ball, and no nonsense. And that's important for me because I don't have a lot of time to waste, and I just want somebody to do the job and to make it a success story.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.